So there's been a lot of noise with GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, lots of different names have come and gone. But ultimately, I've really realized that GameStop is an investment in my eyes, and all these other names being thrown around out there are trades. If you can trade, go ahead, go for it. I really wish you all the best. But if you're looking to invest, I don't think these other names being thrown your way are true investments. But you should make that determination for yourself as an individual. And you can do that by reading the company's reports, read the company's filings, type in whatever company you're interested in, investor relations, and look at the numbers. You don't have to be a genius, you don't have to be a mastermind, but simply looking at the numbers can tell you a lot more than whatever narrative's being told, whatever story your friend's telling you, whatever the next big play is, right? Whatever you want to see it as. So I really feel like it's important, the more we see things like Bed Bath & Beyond unfold, to have individuals recognize that it's important to do research and due diligence. I feel like I say this a lot and people might say, oh, well, you're repetitive, Tetron, you always say this, but I think it's important. And everything that happens over time has to be lessons for individuals. If people keep making the same mistakes, history will just keep repeating itself. There'll always be a next big play, right? But of course, individuals are always going to do what they want out there. And I think that's really important because individuals are individuals, right? They should be true to themselves. But you should be an intelligent individual. You shouldn't think, oh, I'm just this dumb ape, I don't know anything. If you're still here after all this time invested in GameStop, you're not an idiot. I'm here to tell you that. You've done some research in some shape or form, I would imagine. If you've at least come across this video, you just had some interest at some point in time, you typed in like GME stock and I popped up, or however you found me, whatever. The point is you've probably done some research at this point in time. Otherwise, you probably would have been like a lot of other individuals previously that just sold and were like, yeah, I don't know what's going on. This thing was supposed to go way up and it just never happened. So you should not put yourself down is what I'm trying to say. And I feel like there's this weird sentiment sometimes, not of people putting each other down, but this weird sentiment of, oh, well, I'm just buying and holding. I don't know anything. I never studied finance. I don't know anything about stocks. Oh, I don't know anything about numbers. But you're putting in the time and the effort to learn, and you don't have to do it all. You don't have to be a genius. And that's kind of why I made this channel. I'm not trying to be a genius. I'm just trying to document my journey and investing in a company I believe in. And I'm not out here trying to get a super chat. I'm not out here pushing Bed Bath & Beyond. I just like GameStop. All right. I'm interested in other things. I think crypto is very interesting. I think a lot of different things happening with Web3 are very interesting. And I studied finance in school. So I'm just here to talk. And I really feel like that's something really cool that came out of GameStop as well. All the different types of creators, whether you're a creator on the NFT marketplace, you tweet information about GameStop, you put out videos, whatever your cup of tea is, it's just crowdsourced information amongst lots of intelligent individuals. And the whole idea of, oh, just dumb apes just buy and hold, stupid. Like it's stupid to me, that mentality, because in my eyes, the GME elitists are elite because they're doing their research and their due diligence and they look deeply at things, they criticize things, they question things. And I'm not saying everybody that's in GameStop is doing that and that everybody that's not is not doing that. That's not what I'm saying either. I'm just saying I think free thinking is important, especially with a lot of crazy things happening right now. So free thinking is important, and doing your research as an individual is most important, because I've really found, and I can tell you this truly as a young individual that was messing with a bunch of Wall Street bets names previously, that researching something and understanding it allows you to truly invest in it and not trade something. Investing and trading is two very different things in my eyes. And when you focus on investing, or you have the mentality of investing, but you're not actually doing your research and you're just getting in things for the next big play, or you're like, oh yeah, well, everyone's talking about this, so everybody knows it's gonna be huge, but you never actually look at fundamentals or research and why you believe your thesis, then it's easy to get swayed when things go negatively. Your stock goes down 50%, for example, then you're like, oh, well, maybe I was wrong. Fuck. All right, let me just get out. So that's why research is important. And I feel like I've been rambling, but I just feel like it's important information. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's having a good day.